Hey class, just wanted to kind of tell you what was going to be happening in the next 2 weeks and how you can help prepare. So this week we took our quiz, which was posted under week 5. You were supposed to take the quick quiz, unit 1, during class time on day 2. So whether you are a Wednesday or a Thursday class. Okay, if you didn't complete it in that time, I closed the opportunity for you. Okay, it was basically in preparation to pass the unit test. It had all the all the essential standards in it, with none of the supporting standards. Okay, so if you were able to successfully pass that quiz, okay, you should be able to successfully pass the unit test with at least a 70%. Okay, so if you did not, which there is a significant chunk of you who probably would have liked to do better, okay, here's how you do it. Okay, starting this week, okay, today's Friday, October 2nd, it's my brother's birthday, okay, I want you to go back and I want you to rewatch all of the videos that we have put in for this unit. Okay, so down under week 2, okay, where it has the help with practice problems, okay, there's a video in there that kind of shows you how to go through and work on some of those practice problems. You can watch that video. The 002 Unit 1 converting videos. These ones are a must to rewatch. There's the vocabulary, okay, which I would recommend going over because you will see some questions that are vocabulary specific on the test. Okay, but converting percents and fractions, percents to decimals, and any direction that we're going, you need to know all the different forms for converting. And you need to be able to do that to the correct place values if you have decimals and percents. Okay, so rewatch all of these videos. Okay, you also have in week 4, okay, probability videos, essential standards. There's single event, and then there's terms like certain or guaranteed versus impossible. Okay, you're going to want to watch those videos again. The comparing and ordering numbers, using numbers on a number line. You're going to want to watch these videos again. Okay, all of those are the essential standards. Okay, if you are one of the students who has not completed all of the assignments, okay, watch all the videos first. That's your go-to right there. As soon as you're done with that, use those skills in the assignments that you have not completed. Okay, explaining the process where I asked you to convert 4/7 as a fraction into a percentage and make a Flipgrid video about it. Okay, I would go back and do that. Look at the feedback I gave you. If you didn't do it correctly, you got feedback, whether it was written or a video version. Okay, the comparing by converting. This had fractions being divided into decimals. This had decimals turning into fractions by knowing the place value. This also had comparing fractions, where you could turn them both into decimals or where you could make them with a common denominator and then compare. It also had positive and negative numbers. Okay, work on that assignment. Complete it if you didn't. Improve it if you got comments on your work. Okay, the assignment that says 005 probability. Okay, this is an important one to work on. If you didn't finish it, it actually had 2 parts. Okay, I need you to complete the 12 problems in the assignment, and there was a Flipgrid video that went with the level 3 question about quarters. Okay, make sure that you are answering the prompts the way they are asked. If you get caught up with all of your missing work and you watch all of the videos again so that you have a deeper understanding, you will pass the unit test, which again is in the following week. So next week, we are focused on review. Everything we do is reviewing those essential standards. Those of you who have been very successful already know that you've passed the Unit 1 quick quiz. Okay, you are going to be encouraged to work on those supporting standards. Those supporting standards are going to help bring that 70% on that final test up to 80, 90, up to 100%. Okay, the only way you can get an A on the unit test is by also knowing supporting standards, not just the essentials. If you didn't pass the quiz in the first place, you're going to focus on the essentials. If you passed it, you also are going to incorporate some supporting standards. Those students that passed the Unit 1 quick quiz will be invited to closed tutorial next week. So in the afternoons, I will be inviting you so that we can go over compound event probabilities so that you can increase your probability of getting a higher score on that test. if this is you that I'm talking about, you're going to want to watch these videos. Okay? Anyone can watch these, but I'm encouraging those people who have already passed the essential standards to push themselves even more. Okay? Again, it's not about the grades. It's about the understanding. Grades just reflect the understanding that you have of the material and the effort that you're putting in to complete the work to help improve your understanding. Okay? So good luck to you. Okay? And I'll see you next week.